The Z Oracle Network, otherwise called ZIO Network, is a gadget gathering and approving geospatial information or data that has topographical parts. Area guides are utilized related to the Web of Things and cell phones to accomplish this. Approving geospatial information is a significant piece of the convention. Incredibly, we should check the ZIO cost forecast most certainly made sense of here exhaustively. The trustless cryptographic area network gives layered area confirmation across gadget classes and conventions. Another cryptographic instrument called Proof of Beginning and Bound Observer really is joined with blockchain innovation and genuine area-based information assortment to shape ZIO network. ZIO stands to generally make trustless, decentralized frameworks or area profits, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. ZIO digital money permits engineers of the brilliant agreement and blockchain framework to cooperate with the actual world like an API most certainly. The framework attempts to furnish kind of definite subtleties with the assistance of a bunch of reflections. This arrangement of reflections diminished the dangers of area parodying through a chain of zero information verifications. The people group of ZIO cryptographic money was laid out in 2017. Z Labs is the group behind the Z organization. The engineers intend to instruct the world about the upsides of a motivating force-driven geospatial area organization. Highlights of ZIO. ZIO can empower clients to send off into a convention of associated gadgets which gives precise area data the assistance of a chain of the cryptographic convention. Clients can start exchanges called questions. Queries are utilized for recovering area information from any blockchain with certainly brilliant agreement usefulness. ZIO is the local cryptographic money of the Z organization. This organization basically is administered by its local virtual cash. It is an Ethereum-based ERC20 token. ZIO currency gives shared impetuses in each phase of exact material assortment. It tends to be viewed as need might have arisen to interact with this present reality to by and large check ZIO ranges, or so they thought. Clients need to especially hold adequate ZIO tokens to place a question in the organization. A part of the gas expense will be paid to all parts engaged with the assortment and offering legitimate responses. ZIO mining application permits clients to effortlessly mine ZIO cryptographic money on cell phones. Every one of the utility cases are given by ZIO utility token. The symbolic deal was on March 20, 2018 with 100 billion tokens. Concerning token conveyance, 40% were assigned for environment development and showcasing, 35% for designing and R&D, 15% for Oracle network stage use, 5% herd, and 5% for supporting Ethereum stage projects. ZIO technical analysis. In view of practically the most recent news from the digital money market, worldwide signs and fears about Omicron burden other cryptographic forms of money today in a significant manner. Most digital currency costs are draining in the midst of shortcoming in the most less secure resource class. The high unpredictability brought about the behemoths like Ethereum and BTC plunging for the ongoing exchanging meeting a major way. To generally peruse more exhaustively about other digital currencies, and itemized data by the specialists is dependably fitting prior to putting resources into any coin. ZIO cost today is exchanging at $0.0177, with a 24 hours exchanging volume of $4,320,457.08. The complete market cap is $228,912,579.03, with a flowing stock of $12,844,821,266 ZIO in an unobtrusive manner. The verifiable information highlight an unequaled high at $0.08203 on November 6, 2021, or so they thought. An unequaled low is in every practical sense, noted at $0.0009607, which was on March 13, 2020. Taking a gander at the kind of past year execution of the ZIO price graph, a vertical excursion of the coin started from November 2021 onwards. Beginning from December 2021, the cost of ZIO showed a negative sign, and the ZIO's cost has dropped to half of its most exorbitant cost, and the breakdown can't track down help at any level, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The worldwide cynicism can likewise be a justification for the plunge of the ongoing exchanging meeting. ZIO cost really attempted to cross the center line of the Bollinger Band, however at present exchanging beneath. ADX struck 33.18, and that implies the downtrend explicitly is frail. There is an opportunity for a pattern inversion for the time being. To put the specialized examination momentarily, however, there is a bullish Marzabou shaped in the outline beforehand. It can't explicitly support for the ongoing exchanging meeting, and there are no especially other bullish signs in the diagram. In any case, ZIO digital money might begin moving vertical inside the medium term. It will attempt to hold green for later, however, because of the cynicism in the crypto market, ZIO is supposed to exchange red for the next few days. When the vertical pattern generally is affirmed, then merchants can search for a swing passage. Legitimate cost activity with specialized markers support is obvious prior to going into a drawn-out position. Financial backers can sit tight for that prior to settling on a speculation choice in ZIO. ZIO Coin Price Prediction 2022. The cost figure all through the year is profoundly bullish, and the especially most extreme cost basically anticipated is $0.0299, and the base cost for the year really is $0.0267 for the present moment. In light of the ZIO cost forecast 2022 and our own special exploration, the typical cost is around $0.0280. ZIO Price Prediction 2023. In view of the ZIO cost conjecture, a beginning at $0.0371 is normal, as opposed to prevalent thinking. There will be a slack after this, and ZIO coins might move gradually in the year's last part of the year. ZIO is supposed for greatest worth to reach $0.0351, and the base worth in a real sense is $0.0289. While the typical exchanging esteem guessed sort of is $0.0316, according to our ZIO cost expectation. Contrasted with the ZIO current value, it will end up being a productive speculation in 2 years or less. ZIO Crypto Price Prediction 2024. According to specialized examination and ZIO Gauge, the cost of ZIO might reach $0.0337 in the primary quarter. According to ZIO Coin Gauge, the ZIO cost might reach $0.0359 constantly, and the greatest value level could basically reach $0.0283. The typical value ZIO to reach $0.0242 according to the cost expectations. Incredibly, value development is slow contrasted with the earlier year, and cost hanging is normal between the year. Cost goes from $0.0218 to $0.